Hello and welcome. Let's take a video file and detach the audio. Here I got a video with some background noise. Not gonna do this edit friendly version, just gonna drag this to the timeline. And here we have audio with some nature sounds. So to detach the sound, maybe I want to remove it, maybe I want to replace it, maybe I want to move it around on the timeline. I'm just gonna make more space down here in the timeline. And all I gotta do is right click on this clip and press Detach Audio. And it creates a new audio track automatically. And here's the audio clip. And I can move it around. And I can delete it, of course. Just remove. And then the video is silent. Or I can add effects to it, like in filters, audio. Let's try normalize so it's louder. Let's press analyze. And let's run it. And we can add reverb and stuff like that. Wow. And now we can also edit the video and audio independently. So we can have a little foreshadowing to what kind of scene we're going to switch to, for example, by having the audio start before the video. Alright, that was it. Hope this was useful and hope to see you in the next video. Until then, ciao!